Quick stop here at the Frontier Outpost. Seems our cowboys have a little bit of business to take care of here. But keep your eyes peeled. You never know what might happen when a train stops in the middle of a wilderness.
What do you need for it? There is an urgent message coming through, and the regular telegraph operator has been kidnapped Indians.
Why in the world would the Indians kidnap the telegraph operator? They're usually pretty friendly around here.
Well, nobody really knows why, but I need one desperately. All right, we'll get right on it. Don't get your boomers in the morning. Hello there.
Howdy.
Hello there. You two look awfully familiar. What is your name?
Well, my name's Murdock, and this here is my partner, Smokey. Where there is smoke, there is fire!
And they are wanted.
That is it! I'll tell you what there, Marshal, you just made your way on down there. That's right, we are here, and we are ready to rob some trains there, Sheriff. That is your real name. I'll tell you what, you go over there, you know what you're working with. Now, you and your deputy, if that is his real name, are going to stand right there and watch and learn while we rob each and every one of these precious little passengers here on this train, robbing them their gold and their valuables and their jewels, and maybe, just maybe, even drugs. Watch out now! Now look, you're going to do nothing but stand right there. All we do. Got it?
I don't know about that.
With my boot! Oh!
Oh, that is for the city.
Good fellow!
I hate to serve that one, but get up here.
Ow! No! Why not?
Ready?
How about that? How about one thing? Way to go. There. Deputy. Hey! What do you want me to do with this, Murdock? Well, don't just stand there out in the open. Put it somewhere safe. What?
He's locked himself in the jail. Well, the keys are on the front door. Just get him. Go in.
Good job, Smokey.
That is right. He'll never take me alive. Is that so?
Oh, that's what it is.
Get out here. We're still Marshal. I was just in here inspecting.
I don't know what happened. I don't know what you think, conductor. No.
All right, you two, get on out here.
Get out.
Break the window?
Can't leave for nothing. I see, and you have done a wonderful job here.
Well, thank you very much.
Jail's broken, Marshal.
Hey fellas, if y'all don't play patty cake, this is some important little dots, alright? Now, Indians have taken over Fort Boone and are on the warpath. Stop! Someone stole the money being sent to them for that land payment. Stop! Send help, stop!
Is there anything else?
No.
Alright, grab that box. We might need it for evidence. Marshal, what do you want me to do with these two honeycombs?
Well, since they've caused all this trouble, they need to head on up to Fort Bend and make it right themselves. Now, go away. I'm not trying to head for it.
You ready, ladies? Okay. Grab the box.
All right, Casey. Let's it on for food, please.
Yeah, all except for the special. Somebody doing some candy. That's an extra.
Beyond this canyon is Fort Boone. We'll be making a short stop there. Should be safe. Stay in your seats, folks. Our cowboys will check things out. Beyond this canyon is Fort Boone. We'll be making a short stop there. Should be safe, but stay in your seats, folks. Our cowboys will check things out.
Why did you do that?
Two cowboys, one Indian.
You didn't see it. You didn't see anything.
Where's your Boggs?
I think there's some Indians behind me. Y'all better look out.
Oh, please! Hey, what are you doing? I didn't mean anything, bud! Get back there! Stop it! I didn't mean to pass to the right. I meant the left! I promise!
I guess.
Hey, don't let that Indian right there.
Come here, you. Well.
Get down here, Curly. What have you been doing this whole time anyway?
Bathroom?
Why didn't you take care of that back in town?
Now, which one of you took on money? That would be those two over there.
Those two.
Yeah, those two over there.
Those
Right there.
two. It flew out of my hand. Honestly, seriously. Okay. Everybody's good? Yes? Great? Fantastic.
No,
Thank you.
no, no, no. You guys need to apologize for what you've done.
Yeah.
Everybody,
Listen, I'm...
Wow.
reconsider.
Well,
I'm sorry. And I hope that things go well for you in the future.
Alright, Deputy, get these two back on the train.
You two move along.
Boggs, you gonna be alright out here all by yourself?
I reckon I'll be all right. You take these fine folks on back to town and show them the rest of the wonderful things that Tweetsie has to offer.
Well, too, Trooper.
Good, good, good.
Good.
Thanks for inviting us today.
Thanks for inviting us today.
I mean, thanks for visiting us today.
How you doing?
All right, Casey. Let's get these folks on back to town, please.
We'll see you later. Have good.
I won't be seeing you.
What?
Why does this say Tweetsie Fun Dollars?
Oh, no.